So we will be testing this Cursor CLI. As you know, if you're familiar with Gemini CLI and Claude CLI, those two are powerful terminal models that you can use in order to create your application. Now we have this Cursor CLI, and what's nice about it, it is connecting. It is using directly the OpenAI GPT-5. Now we're gonna test this. So first of all, it's very easy. You just need to copy this one-line command right here to install that and open your terminal and run this. So once you install that, you will see this message right here with further instruction. So what you just need to do is just execute these two commands. So copy this and then paste it right here. And then the second one will be this one, the source, and paste it again, and you're good to go. Now, once the Cursor agent has been installed successfully, we can now test this in our VS Code. So we will be changing the theme of our directory right here. As we know, we have the prompt to create a beautiful directory, which we will update right here. We already have 1,000 listings in this directory, so this is all about Notary Public USA. The data has been scraped here, so if you go to the generated CSV, I'm using Java Scraper to scrape the business listing that we will upload in our directory. So here we scraped the Notary Public. We took 1,000 listings just for this example, and they're all in the United States. If you want to see the full instruction how this was built, it's in the link in the description below. But for today, just to quickly demo how we can use the Cursor CLI. So we have this Notary Public USA in our WordPress local. So just download this software if you want to run WordPress in your local. It's called Local WP, so just type that on Google. Now, we're going to open this VS Code right here. So we will open the WordPress files. And once you're here in your WordPress path, as you can see, we have existing themes. What you can do is just open a new terminal directly here in your VS Code. So once you open the terminal, you can run directly the Cursor agent. Alright, so if your Cursor has been installed correctly, you will see this. So the first time you're going to run this, you will be directed to a browser. Just sign in and you will have the free trial, the free credits to use the OpenAI GPT-5. So it's free for few prompts. So just go to their website to see how much tokens you can use. But anyway, I'm using the free plan only. I haven't added any payment plan. So what we're going to do is update our theme. I'm gonna grab a copy of this and paste exactly all this instruction in the Gemini CLI here. So what we do is copy this custom prompt right here. And as you can see, this is the exact prompt that we pasted here in the blank notepad. So we will just update this to GP Cursor CLI and this one GP Cursor CLI. So we will know which particular model and the way we created this theme, so we don't get confused when we want to activate the theme. So once you have all this, you just simply grab a copy of this and we go back to our VS Code, paste exactly just like that. So as you can see here, pasted 312 lines. Now let's go ahead and execute this. So when you are prompted to run a command like this, so just select the last option so you don't have to manually run every time it asks you permission to run any command. So just select this last option, auto run all commands. So let's do that. Guys, it's not able to proceed with our instruction because I think the token is not enough. What we need to do here is go to your overview and you will see here extended limits on agent. You will have 14-day free trial, so you can do that. So let's do this. My free trial has been activated. Just don't forget to come back here before the 14 days. So as you can see here, my subscription will start on the 25th of August, the actual paid pro. So make sure you come back here and cancel the free trial before that date. So it's very easy. Just go to billing and invoices, and here you can go to manage subscription, and here just click this cancel subscription and you won't be charged. So now that we activated the free trial, let me just start a fresh window here in the terminal. And again, we're going to copy the full instruction of our directory theme and paste it again and then run this. Okay guys, success. It created all the files we required. So as you scroll up right here, you can see all the activity happened, and I think the free trial will be good enough to create a number of applications. And you can see it completed our complex instruction. So what we need to do now is activate, and let's see the result. First thing, here in the assets, we're gonna copy the hero section image and the logo that we already have in the previous theme. So I'm just gonna grab a copy of this hero section and logo and paste that to the new theme using the Cursor GPT-5 CLI. Make sure you go paste that inside the asset folder. So once it's in the asset folder, we can now go to the dashboard, and here in the appearance, go to themes. We should see the GPT Cursor CLI. Activate that, and the moment of truth, let's see how it looks like. So this is the hero section. It's not in parallax as we instructed. And this is the drop down of the state. So let's go to California. And these are the cities. And how it listed the browse notary public states. Nothing special. Although here, in order for the states to be looking like this, you need to add custom images right here. The instruction is in the link in the description below if you want the complete guide on how this was created. But looks decent. And look at the popular notary public around the United States. This is how it listed. At least it got all the structure correctly. The appearance just at that great compared to Opus 4.1 and Sonnet 4 using Claude Code. Still, Claude Code is the best when you're running some commands to do your application. You can add some sample articles to see how it's looking. Now let's check one of the listings. And this is how it will display the individual listing. It's looking decent, but nothing special. So there's the nearby public notary in the city and then the state. So you can browse individual listings right here. Let's check another one. And we have the attributes, the address, the link to the website, and the map. And we have the review topics. So it also displaying the correct breadcrumbs. So let's go to the state view. And these are the cities around Michigan. So when you click one of the city, it will display all the listings. It's looking decent, but not amazing as what we saw in Claude. But this one is free. So you can try that using the Cursor account free trial, 14 days trial and then download the Cursor CLI as I instructed earlier. But overall, it's looking decent. You just need to instruct further Cursor if you want to change things. But yeah, now you're going to use the free GPT-5 in Cursor CLI. See you in the next one.